Anything Speaker is a groundbreaking audio device that turns anything into a speaker using vibration. Featuring unmatched portability, Anything Speaker's bone conduction technology resonates sound throughout any hollow surface, achieving up to 100 decibels. That's 2 to 3 times louder than the average mobile phone. Experiment with different surfaces to customize your sound experience. You can attach Anything Speaker to your guitar to play along with your favorite song. Place it in the sound hole of a piano, and it sounds like the piano is playing itself. You can even hear it on your head, immersing you in sound and solfeggio frequencies known for harmony and balance. Adhere Anything Speaker to your favorite helmet and enjoy your music without compromising the environment around you. Connect 2 at once, and Anything Speaker automatically uses wireless stereo for an immersive sound experience. While traditional speakers confine sound to a specific direction, Anything Speaker disperses it uniformly throughout your chosen surface, delivering omnidirectional sound. Anything Speaker combines lightweight portability with powerful performance. It seamlessly pairs with any Bluetooth device, charges via USB-C, and holds a 400 mAh battery for over 2 hours of playback. At Anything Speaker, we envision the future of sound. A fusion of innovative design and personalized audio. Create sound your way with Anything Speaker.